Hi there everyone, and very warm welcome. I am just about to record for you a short summary of our Improvers Solo Slow Foxtrot practice routine number 2. So we started this on Monday the 16th of May 2022 and we completed it on Monday the 23rd of May 22. We actually did 2 weeks of the slow foxtrot. We didn't quite get everything done on the first week. So if you're looking for the full class, we did a lot of technique on the 16th of May, and then we just finished the routine off on the first half hour of the class on the 23rd of May before moving on to Jive. So, short routine. Let me just grab the paperwork and we will go from here. So, right hand corner of your space. Bearing in mind I have adjusted some of these steps for the living room. Okay, so I'm actually going to start facing my right hand wall. This is purely because of my space being a little bit more length on left to right rather than forwards and back. You could start this on the diagonal, but this is just for practice and just for fun. So I went backwards for a back feather step on the ladies' timing. So I went slow, quick, quick. I then did a heel turn, slow, quick, quick. I've run out of space, so I then went backwards and forwards, but if you have more space, you can go forwards and back. So I'm going to do a back feather step, and then a forwards feather step. Okay, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Let's do that again. I start over here. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. That was section 1. Section 2 started with a heel turn from this side, slow, quick, quick. Now, like we would do the end of a natural turn, but because I run out of space, I'm actually going to take my third step, which is my right foot, slightly wide. So I'm going to go forwards, open, change direction, and instead of back on my right, I'm actually going to swing here and go more towards the front of my space. That is purely because of the living room, okay? A little adjustment there on what would be my natural turn. So I'm going slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Another change of direction. Left foot, slow, quick, quick. I'm then going to do a little hesitation with a little slide and another, and I'm going to use another slow, quick, quick. I'm going to count it in slow, quick, quick for that. I'm dragging it in. Now from here, I'm going to do what would be, on the ladies' timing, the closed impetus, which will be like the spin turn footwork. And then I'm going to do a feather ending with that change of direction. Okay? So let's see where we get to with this all in one go. So I'm going back, 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 heel turn, 3 back, 3 forwards, left foot preparation for another heel turn, change of direction, hesitation, hesitation, going in, and a feather ending with another change of direction. Now we're going to count the timing on the next time. So we've got slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, 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 quick, quick. Okay. Don't forget we've got a fast action. We've got slow, slow, quick, quick, but we count 3 slows on that closed impetus. Okay. Now, hopefully that is nice and clear. Very, very short summary. And don't forget, you can see the full class in the video library on my main website. And if you're looking at this on YouTube, all the links are below, which can take you to my website. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.